This is such a tricks of the trade video. There are so many ways to clean brushes, so there's a million different things out there that you can try. This is how I clean my brushes super fast. There are more thorough methods that you can do if you want to do like ever so often a really big scrub down of your brushes, but this is a perfect way just to maintain your brushes, keep them clean, and keep your life moving on. Okay, you only need 3 products. 3 products. Okay, Kelsey. 3 products. Huggies baby wipes. No other brand. I'm serious. This is the only one that I have found that works. The other baby wipes are too oily. So I've used Huggies for probably 5 years now. That's the best way to go. You need makeup brush cleaner. This is the Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics makeup brush cleaner. I think I just got this on Amazon. I will put a link below. While you're down there, why don't you like and subscribe to my channel? And then I also use alcohol. So let's talk about alcohol for 1 second. Alcohol is really bad for your brushes, honestly. It's bad for the glue that adheres the bristles to the brush and can break that down. So you have to be very careful. I only use it occasionally, or I do people's makeup, so I have to use it. But if you're just doing this for your own brushes, maybe use it ever so often, but be careful of overusing it. You might want to just stick to brush cleaner and your baby wipe. So let's get started. Grab yourself your little baby wipe, and then I pour this into a little bottle so that I can just easily, quickly spray this on my wipey. And then today I am going to use alcohol, so I'll just do a few sprays of alcohol. It's been a little bit since I washed my brushes. And then I'll start with the dirtiest. This is my foundation brush, you know. But I mean, so it says alcohol breaks down the glue. Oh, I should tell you what I'm doing. I'm just wiping back and forth. I'm not going in like this, just on the sides. And you can see how much has already come off of this. But I've had these brushes for quite a few years now, and I've never had problems with the hairs falling out, even using alcohol. So that's that. That took like less than a minute, and we're pretty clean. Next, grab yourself one more wipey. This is super important. I know there's lots of germs going around right now. We're all kind of freaking out about germs. So this is something really good to remember is second wipe, just your alcohol. And then wipe off the handle. There's a lot of bacteria that lives there that definitely needs to be cleaned as much as the bristles do. So now you have a perfectly clean brush. And that's it. That is how I clean my brushes. It's so easy, takes seconds. It will change your life. Literally changed mine. And you could do like a really in-depth, thorough cleaning where you do like soap and water and all of that in between washing your brushes like this. So I hope this was helpful. This was so helpful for me when I first learned how to do this. The makeup artist that I work with for weddings showed me how to do this, and I was like, thank you. It's so good. So I hope it was helpful. If you like this video, if you want to like and subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we will catch up soon. Bye.